Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm your host Hassan Khurram, and in this video I'm going to teach you how you can actually generate interactive marketing dashboard with the help of Plotly Express. So this video is in the series of tutorial video regarding marketing analytics with Python. So obviously we are going to build a dashboard that and perform analysis for marketing data set. But before we jump into the practical data set, we want to express and we want to let you know like what are the benefits of creating interactive dashboards and how we are actually able to going to do that. So an interactive dashboard is a visual interface that allows you to explore data dynamically. It means that it has that capability to interact with data or visualization dynamically rather than just viewing a static chart. What it actually help marketers to do or your stakeholder, it will help them quickly identify top performing channels, compare customer segments in real time, present actionable insights without sifting through raw data, and enable decision makers such as stakeholders to explore what if scenario by interacting with the data sets. So how we can actually do that? We can do that easily with the help of Plotly Express that help us makes building interactive dashboard fast, intuitive, and visually appealing. So these are some of the elements that we do have in Plotly Express. So like you are actually able to plot a single line chart quickly. Then it also adds the hover over information, shows detailed data for each data point. Easy color grouping highlights categories like gender, location, or channel easily, and it has elements of interactabilities as well, such as pan, zoom, filter, and export charts as well. So what kind of charts we are actually able to plot using Plotly Express? We have bar charts that is used to compare channels or product. We have line charts, we have scatter plots, we have pie charts. So this is like the layout how we are going to generate our first dashboard within Plotly Express. We will create an interactive bar chart showing total profit by marketing channel, which will be grouped by gender and with hover data to explore further details. So this is a code like how we are going to create a chart in Plotly Express. So first of all, we will import Plotly Export Express and give it an alias px. So after that, this is the main snippet of code that will help us enable us to generate the Plotly dashboard. So here we have initialized a variable called fig, and we create this value, and then we apply the function bar of this Plotly Express library. And first of all, and here we pass number of input arguments. The first input argument is obviously the data frame, and the subsequent two next input argument are actually the x-axis and y-axis data. So here we tell that for x-axis we want marketing channel type, and for y-axis we want total profit, and for the color we are setting equal to gender. So here the bar chart will be distinguished with one another with the help of gender as a color grading. And then we also like to have some hover data information as well. So when you move the cursor towards any plot, towards any point, you will be able to visualize age and location of this particular group or data point. And we can add the title itself, and bar mode is equal to group. So here we have two options for bar mode. The first one is group, the second one is stack. So what it actually happens right now, you are kind of having three values for every categorical data of marketing channel type. For example, for direct, we would have like male, female, and not defined. So here we are setting bar mode is equal to group. So what will happen? Each bar of the respective gender will be displayed adjacent to one another. But what if we have it set it to stack? What will happen? It will have like one bar for a one marketing channel type, and which will be separated by color code for respective color gender like male, female, and not defined. And once you define it, the next thing you are going to do is to do some adjustment to the layout. Here I'm just having a minor adjustment. First of all, the first input argument is defining title underscore x is equal to 0.5, which means we are setting the position of title. And then we have plot background color, paper background color. So these are the background color that I'm having in this interactive plotly dashboard, which I set to white. And finally, I'm going to use fig.show that will render the plot. So this is what our plotly dashboard will look like with the interactability. You can see that we have like blue color for the male and red color for the female, and not defined is kind of green color. And each gender has been marked and plotted as a bar chart separately for every marketing channel type. And here it gives us the total profit for every particular channel, which is being separated in terms of gender. And we do see that male tends to have higher promotion of total profit to a brand as compared to female or not defined. For example, if you don't want this, however, these details, you can first have applied this group by function to group the values based on marketing channel type and gender, and then aggregate the total profit value. And once you have that, you're going to follow the same methodology and you will have a bar plot, something like that. Now, this is not just the end of the Plotly Express. You obviously you can also create filters, drop down filters. So, and it also gives you the tools to interact with plots such as zoom in, zoom out, filter, these sort of stuff. So in order to create filter, these are some advanced tactics that you can use and that will help you to come up with a filter something like this. If you see, if I drag down and select one particular gender like male, now you can see that upload have changed that significantly. And what if I choose female? Now you see that it has only listed female as a filter drop down option. So yeah, so what it actually allows you to do, it allows you to interact with the dashboards and gives you the actionable insights, allows fast dynamic professional quality visualization. It will also give you the option for filtering, grouping, hover our information that is quite relevant and more useful for presentation to your stakeholders. And as we go on in the next lecture, I'm going to show you how we can actually export the dashboard in the form of figures, HTML response as well. Till then, have fun. Peace out. I will catch you soon in the next video.